for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, backup camera, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, keyless start, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.